Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. If you remember in my last video, we explored how massive token burns, real-world adoption, and the proof of views ecosystem were setting the stage for Veracity's next phase. And today we are taking things even further with the latest verified updates from top sources. And after that, I'll also show you the price analysis from the live charts as well. But before we begin, as always, everything I am sharing today comes directly from authentic and verifiable outlets, especially from Binance Official Alpha Report, CoinMarketCap, CoinCodex, MartechRecord, Bitcoin.com, and Veracity's own official blog and roadmap. And by the way, I have also cross-checked information from Reddit discussions and crypto media like Coinpedia and Capital.com. So you're getting a fact-checked and reliable picture of where Veracity stands as of now. Now, first of all, let's take a look at the big story in October 2025. And Veracity just had a massive visibility boost thanks to a Binance Alpha airdrop, new partnerships in gaming and art tokenization, and a major leadership shakeup that's really reshaping the project's direction, by the way. Meanwhile, its long-promised proof-of-view token migration is entering its final stages, a move that could fundamentally change how VRA is valued. Now let's move on and break this all down. And first of all, let's take a look at the leadership and corporate update. And since June 2024, Mark Firth has officially taken over as CEO of Veracity, while founder RJ Mark remains actively involved in business development. And by the way, this leadership shift was covered by MartechRecord and Bitcoin.com. And it's also being viewed as a professionalization of Veracity structure that can bring more enterprise focus to the VRA views and ad tech platform. And if you take a look at the community response for this, then it's a mixed kind of thing. But as Mark Firth emphasized the proof of view commercialization plan, then confidence among the community has been returning. Now let's take a look at the Binance Alpha and renewed exchange exposure. Back in July 2025, Binance officially listed Veracity under its Alpha program, complete with an airdrop campaign and promotional push. This not only gave VRA a surge in trading volume, but also confirmed Binance's continued interest in the project. According to Binance's official blog, the Alpha listing was part of their initiative to highlight projects driving real-world blockchain adoption, and Veracity's focus on ad fraud prevention fits perfectly into the narrative. And one of the biggest technical and economic shifts is the ongoing proof-of-view token migration. Veracity is moving its internal maker tokens to a new structure. And by the way, this will be a very big reason for tightening token supply visibility, which will be aiming to make the system more transparent for both advertisers and token holders. The proof of view or PoV migration mentioned in Veracity's own roadmap is designed to reduce circulating confusion and stabilize long-term tokenomics. Analysts from CoinMarketCap and CoinCodex have pointed out that this could be the make or break for VRA's next market cycle. Now let's move on and take a look at the partnerships and real-world adoption. And in this perspective, Veracity continues to push into real-world use cases really hard. In art tokenization projects, like that 10-10-1 or 10101 art collaboration, are using proof of view for digital ownership verification. In gaming and T2E ecosystem, Veracity's technology is being tested to detect fake engagement and reward authentic players. And ad tech integrations under Vera views have expanded, especially in markets like the UAE. And by the way, that was also already the part of my last video story as well. These partnerships are about adoption, not just hype. And that's why Veracity's tech is being quietly embedded in multiple verticals. Now, there are also some community concerns as well, like future token unlocks and control of uncirculated supply, and the timeline for the PoV or proof of view token migration completion. Even Reddit threads this month highlighted that while Veracity's fundamentals are improving, Clarity on supply-side economics will be key to any sustainable rally. If we zoom out and take a look at the bigger picture, then Verasity is no longer just an esports or reward token. It's positioning itself as an infrastructure layer for verifying digital engagement, something that even ad industry veterans have taken notice of. With Binance's backing, enterprise partnerships, and more clear leadership path, Veracity could finally be back on track for mainstream adoption. And by the way, it all depends if it delivers on transparency and POV or proof of views scaling this year. Now, if we wrap it up all, then since my last Veracity video, the project has secured new exchange visibility through Binance, entered the final stage of POV migration, appointed Mark Firth as CEO, and continued real-world integration into gaming, art, and ad tech sectors. And at the start of this video, I was telling that we will also take a look at the live charts, the price charts of Veracity as well. But before we begin with this, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description. You can find. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, then I've also shared my trading signal report in the video's description as well. You just need to open that report. And if you'd like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for TRX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this TradingView chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone, sell target sign, the stop loss. And here you can also watch when I shared this signal. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rally to the sell target zone. Now let's move on to the live chart. And this is a 7-day time frame chart. And here you can see that previously Veracity broke out this huge down falling wedge pattern, now down channel. And after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, we had a very, very massive rally from this low to this high. It was overall 634% pump, but the price could not break out this long-term downtrend and resistance. That was, by the way, found here in the month of October 2021. We got rejection here, another rejection here. Now, recently, we have broken out another down channel. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this channel, the price line is not able to break out another down trend line resistance. That was, in fact, previously breaking as a resistance of this descending triangle. And still it is breaking as a resistance. Therefore, in order to continue or start and move to the upside, we will need to break out this downtrend and resistance. The target for the breakout from this channel is about to be here at the top of the channel. It is approximately at $0.008. And if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that long-term target will be here at the top of this wedge. That will be somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because then I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.